welcome back to my Draco TV once again. And today we just gonna do this Hk416 build, curved on this rifle, and just put it on video. So far, I got this Acetech nozzle on the side, and I got this little custom magnifier. As you guys can see, it's 3D printed. Got it from somebody from Hop Up Unit. It was able to make it for me. Once I was able to send them the files for it. So there we go. We're gonna get to it. No talking. First thing we're gonna do is the grip. The grip over. We're gonna take off the strip of the nigga that's being replaced, you know. And then from there go. It's right there. Oh yeah, and Foregrip is off. I'm gonna take up this quad rail. That's what we're gonna take off right now. And put this new M-LOK rail in for better feel. Why am I taking it off? It cuts me a lot when I switch. You really feel that. Sometimes I only play with my gloves on. Play with gloves on. Okay, nuts off. Let's put these back together before we do anything, so we don't lose these. Put these back together so you don't lose them. We're going to the side. Be gentle when you're taking this out from the top, from the bottom to the top. There we go. All one's out. This is the inside. Looks kind of good still. Very good condition. Let's put it to the side, put it on the floor, matter of fact. So you got some space. Cool. So as you guys can see, everything is naked. Take this off as well too. Iron sights, rear one. Everything is going. Great. We're starting off at Foregrip's going first. Camo spring in here, homemade from a pen. Great. Push it in. There you go. KUNFU grip is in. Screw. OEM screw. Still fits. Put this on this top. Be very gentle. You use a flat head for this. Don't be dumb as I was. Drop it into your KUNFU grip. Drop it into the nut into your grip, KUNFU grip, whatever grip you have, and then guide it in first with the nut going into the lower receiver, and then from there screw it in. Don't do what I just did. It's nice and tight though. There we go. There we go. KUNFU grip is in. I taped it just to match colors. So now we're gonna put up this G95 rail. You guys can see I should put a little Picatinny rail. I think it's 2 slot, 1, 2, 3, 4 slot, and the Foregrip that I had on my GSK. If you know the name of this Foregrip, please let me know in the description below. There we go. M-LOK rail. It's going on top. Now we see where it came off from. Still going in. That's some shit. Try to fix it. Why not? There we go. Putting it in. Let's go. It's not too much. Just put it in here and put a little bit of super glue just so it could help me out for now. But I think for now I'm gonna leave it alone. There we go. G95. Foregrip Picatinny rail. KUNFU grip with this. This is how it feels so far. Feel way better and skinnier. Like an upgrade of my girlfriend to a skinny one. So now we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna add our MAWL C1 into the spot. I don't really like doing that. What I will do instead is put this down. Since I got this Picatinny rail here, I'm gonna put this M600 light on. Got this M600 light from Watson. Also the MAWL light as well too. This all replicas, nothing is real. So there we go. These takes two CR123 batteries inside. 1, 2. Great. Smoke. There you go. It's not going nowhere. Perfect. So now MAWL light, hot button. It had a wing on it, as you guys can see. But I took it off because the wing was proprietary to the left. But I wanted there. So I want my flashlight to the right hand side, as you can see now. So let's go. I'm gonna have mine between 34 and 30, slot 34 and 30. Just for good comfortability. And yeah. Screw this in. A little bit more. Good. My lights in. 600 on the right side of it. Stick up button connected. So on each touch, we'll go over one. So now I'm gonna put this to the side. Take a MAWL C1. Also take a C-on-3 battery as well. Or take one. Same version. We're gonna put it on. The way I do it is kind of weird, but I like the spacing of it. Let me put it a little more on it. There we go. This is how it will look with the spacing. Screw it in. Use a flat head. No screws needed. Or Allen key needed as well. Don't gotta kill the MAWL C1. This is how it looks so far. My light, MAWL C1, light, laser, or I'm mixing it up so far. There we go. Feels nice and neat. So now, what's next step? Got this little Acetech tracer unit inside this MG7 rec silencer unit. Where I got this from? C&C TAC. I've also got a trigger from them too. I'm trying to install. I'll just make a by itself standalone video with this just being installed within the VFC. So now Romeo's going on top. I like my sights kind of far. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. There we go. Nah, not that far. Something like that. Got the boom screw. Draco. I'll link it, matter of fact. So now Romeo 5 is going on with Unity mount 2.6 one razor mount. FDE. This is snug. There we go. This is right for right now. Currently at this stage. What are we missing? Magnifier and silencer tracer unit. So now, what we're gonna do is take our Romeo. It's kind of wobbly. It's this. So we're just gonna make sure it's tight. Get a closer look. Camo one as well. A little camo going on, if you guys can see. Hope you guys can see this. And then with the gold. So I'm just gonna tighten this up and use the proper nice. Now put it on the rail. Put it a little bit further for clearer view. Alright, the snap, it's on there. So there we go. So I'm ready for right now, currently at the stage. Oh, now we're going to take up this muzzle. The oil muzzle coming off now. Got a little grip screw on the left side of it. And rec silencer unit going on with Acetech tracer unit. Show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna throw it right on the rifle now. Fighting this right now, guys. Forgive me. Let's throw it on the rifle now. I believe it's counterclockwise. Yes, it is. Tight it in from the base. Current build. Let's just slow with the rifle so you can see everything. I might just move this unit mount. I might just move this up a little bit more. Matter of fact, this is how it looks without the unit. Without the magnifier, forgive me. Here we go. I'm gonna throw it top. Put this a little bit closer on the flag, like right there, so be perfect. 9-piece snap action. This is Gucci. So this is how I ideally want it to look. Way better than the magnifying being far away from the Romeo. Other side. Perfect, boom. I would use these OEM. I believe those are the Stag Max, or we got some new ones in the middle. Got 2 of these, so let's put them in real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Get a little bit updated. Just the old ones. One. See a little out. That's how it looks. My baby. One time. Forgive me. Down 1, 2, 3. Which I do not box about this right now. Which I will. Got control out from Taiwan. That's how they send products into the States. You know, just orange tape around it. Some more tape around it for own safety reasons. So I can export it and not be returned. So 2 of them. Also Stang Max, so 210 V Max, updated ones, regular Stang Max. Feel very good. Maybe some material. Cool, once again. There we go. Top part. Side. And this is the front. The true looking darn rifle. Black back. Little tape on the back of it. On the side of it. With the neck going. Boat lock works. Just got gas in it. Copper. You guys see. Thank you guys and enjoy.